It's open house weekend at TLC Garden Centers. I'm Angela Buckaloo, and we're in the greenhouse. Join us this Saturday as we say hello to spring with amazing one-day specials at TLC Garden Centers Open House. Including all ceramic pottery, 20% off. All fruit trees, 20% off. Our entire selection of Easter decor, 20% off. Dr. Earth vegetable fertilizer, 20% off. And the 40-pound bag of TLC tree and shrub fertilizer, 20% off. Plus, our greenhouse is stocked full of pansies and kale for an instant burst of color. Have questions about winter damage to your trees and shrubs? Our plant professionals will be on hand with informative exhibits and the answers you need. And get more information on the best trees for Oklahoma and advice on vegetable gardening and lawn care. It's happening this Saturday at TLC Garden Centers. And we'll see you in the greenhouse.